What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota flip key remote fob. This Toyota key fob is going to be for the Toyota vehicles that do not have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to do this is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab the key fob and flip the blade open. Now if I hold the fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look down near this silver key ring down here, we see there's this notch right here that you can see the key blades in. What I'm going to do is put the screwdriver in that notch, and then I'm just going to pry up on the back cover like that. Once we get that back cover off, we see there's this orange piece right here. You can kind of just get that with your fingers and pull that out. Now we see our battery. And in this battery holder, in the one side down by the keyring, you can see there's another little notch right there. What I'm going to do is get my screwdriver in that notch and just get under the edge of the battery and pop it out like that. Now we'll grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. And we're going to tuck the end in first, where the key blade is. So I'm going to kind of tuck this edge in like that, and it's just sitting in there kind of slightly tucked in. Then I'm going to get my orange piece and set on here like that, and then push the battery the rest of the way down, and it'll kind of snap into place. Then we'll snap that back cover on, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.